Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up a bubble tent. Begin by clearing a level area and removing sharp debris, then lay out the ground sheet, inspect seams, and assemble the inflation system. Work with a partner to steady the dome while inflating, secure anchors as you go, and test the air pressure and vents for comfort. Finish by arranging interior items and checking stability before use. Start inflation with a steady pump rhythm and clear communication if you have a helper, keeping hands away from seams and zippers. Watch the dome shape develop and pause to smooth any folds, checking for even tension around the base. Use gentle pressure increases rather than maxing the pump, then fasten the valve cap and tie down any temporary lines. Walk the perimeter to add or adjust stakes for consistent anchoring. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to see more simple outdoor setup tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is a compact way to bring music and voice control to your bubble tent, keeping things cozy and fun. It pairs easily with phones and adds ambience without bulk, and it works great for timers or hands-free lighting. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Secure anchoring is crucial, so place stakes or sandbags at regular intervals and test for movement in a moderate breeze. Set vents to create gentle crossflow, reducing condensation while keeping the interior cozy and breathable. If wind picks up, lower ventilation slightly and add extra weight to windward anchors. Regularly inspect anchor points during use and tighten or rebury stakes as needed to preserve the bubble tent structure and comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.